Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, we made it past Hump Day. We got one more day till we get ready for the weekend. And with that, let's go ahead and kick this review off. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we had a decent lineup for you. Some fun watch faces. Some I think you will like. Now, this first one is in always on mode. The name of it is MTH 007. This one, it's a nice watch face. So in always on mode, you're gonna get that classic look, which isn't bad for any watch face. But when we cut it on, you get kind of a futuristic look. I love the background of this watch face. I like the animated second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. It does have a good look. You can't customize the color or anything like that. It is what it is, but still, considering that all these watch faces are free, this one in particularly, very nice looking. Now what you get is your digital time. Thing about that is, it's only in 24 hours. And you also get battery info, get step info, and you get the day and your date and also your month. But if I tap, I can go into my battery info and my step info along with my heart rate. I thought that was a good look, especially considering that it's free. Yeah, this is definitely a nice design. I'm gonna give this developer 2 thumbs up. I thought he did a great job. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Will you download this one? Number 2. Now number 2 is called Day and Night Cycle Analog Edition. Very nice looking watch face. And always on mode, you're going to get that traditional look. But when the watch face is on, yes, it looks basic. But what I like about it is that the watch face changes according to the time of the day. I thought this was definitely a great look. I thought you just might like it. I say give it a try. Again, it's free. You might like it. Last but not least, number 3. Now number 3 is different, yeah, granted, it's different. The name of it is called Now, and always on mode, it's gonna pretty much look the same, but it's gonna be blacked out a little bit. And I thought just maybe you all would like a fun, unique, different watch face, and this one is definitely it. Now it says, if not now, then when? Now my thing is, I think the hands should have been a little bit bigger. So developer, if you're listening, make the hands larger so we can see. But I actually like the watch face because it's different. All right, you all. Either way, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on all these free watch faces and enjoy. All right, you all. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.